This is basically a project management integrated general ledger package which can handle a number of clients. It's originally set up for a catering company, but at the moment this is working to be set up for a plumber, and the principles are the same whether you're catering or plumbing. It's made up of raw materials, assemblies, and then final product, or for a plumber, or ingredients, recipes and menus for a catering company. And each of the jobs is listed on this screen under the catering thing. You can add ingredients, give them different conversion rates, suppliers with their cost and the supplier's code for that product, and then how much you have on hand and how much you require in the next few days. These then become recipes, which then take the ingredients, the number required to cover 50 guests, whether it's a vegetarian or not, and these are the things that are involved in creating a recipe. After that, the recipes become meals, so that each recipe goes together to create a meal. Now it's basically the same way it would work for a plumber, where you use raw materials to make up assemblies, such as a toilet fitting. You'd have the various components of a toilet fitting, going into the fitting itself and right through to the menu, which would be the way that the bathroom is set out altogether. So there you have the various meals come together in a menu. Then these work together to become a set of stock lists for what you need for that particular job, and it goes down to how much you actually need, not the pack size of the particular product. Then you can create orders for all the jobs you've got happening up to a specific date, and the system will tell you how much you've got, how much you need, and that's for all jobs up to that particular date, and then how much to order, and it automatically chooses the supplier with the cheapest price. So you go through and you just pick up those ones that you need, and then where you want it delivered and when you want it delivered. It then gives you the opportunity to print out those orders, or you can just print out the ones that you need or cancel it altogether. Once that's done, the orders are available here for invoicing, so that when the invoice comes in, you can put in the date and the invoice numbers. Now you've got to be in the right year as well. The invoice number and the invoice total off the invoice itself. Then it will go through each of the invoice lines, and if you have a different price, you can tell it to upgrade the price according to the price on the menu. You can tell it to insert the supplier's code so that it knows next time you order from that supplier what their code is for that particular item. And you just go through the order like that. Now, until the invoice total agrees with what you entered up the top there, it won't let you save it. I'm cheating here. And then, because we haven't invoiced everything that was on the order, it's asking us, is the order complete, or should we hold it open for new invoices? And in this case we're going to hold it open. So it will remember what's already been ordered, and if when you used up that, it deletes the order so that you've got a warning that the particular order has been oversupplied or not. Now, once you've received the invoice, that is automatically brought into the general ledger, and everything goes to the stock on hand account. I've got, rather than to a purchaser's account, because when we invoice the quote, by ticking this, it will transfer the dollar value of the stock that should have been used on that camp over into the cost of sales. And sometimes things don't go quite the way we're planned, and this is because I haven't changed the financial year of the general ledger. So the protection is there to only process to the particular financial year. So if I change the date on that invoice back to June 2011, which is the general ledger date, it still won't let me do it. Okay, I should be more careful about what I do. But to change the year-end processing, it's that simple. It's done everything it needs to do to transfer transactions through to the new financial year. And hopefully this time it's done it. So that quote is now gone, and in the general ledger we can see our sale for that camp. There's the stock that it's moved across, and it's taken that out of stock on hand. And there it is, a fully integrated project management system.